What are aggregate functions in SQL? Aggregate functions are like super calculator that help us to perform calculation on large set of data. Meaning aggregate functions take few rows as an input and perform some operation on them like counting the rows or adding the rows and then returns a single value as a result. In other words, aggregate functions are powerful tools that help us to summarize and analyze the large data set. One example of aggregate function is a count function. The count function counts the total number of records returned by the select query. For example, if we use count in a select query that returns 2 rows, then total count column will show 2 as the output. We can use as keyword to give name to our new column. If you pass star to the count function, then it will count the total number of rows written by the query. But if you specify some column name as a parameter to the count function, then it will count total number of non-null values in that column. Another aggregate function is average function. Let's understand this function with the example of friends table that contains salary of each friend. If you want to know the average salary of friend, then we can use average function in select query and pass salary column to it. The average function will automatically calculate the average value of all the salaries present in salary column. Another frequently used aggregate function is a sum function. As a name suggests, the sum function adds up all the values written by the select query. You need to specify the column name on which you want to perform addition operation. For instance, if we want to see the total salary of all the friends, then we pass the salary column as a parameter to the sum function. So the above query will return total salary of all the friends. Other useful aggregate functions are min and max. As their name suggests, they are used to find out the minimum and maximum values of some column. For example, if we want to know the minimum and maximum salary earned by friends, then we pass the salary column to the min and max function. So the above query will return the value of minimum and maximum salary of friends. That's it for today's video. Follow my channel for more such videos.